Hi guys. Today I decided to do a little update video since I haven't been posting as frequently the past few months. I've been extremely busy at work and I've had to put some projects on hold for a bit, but things are slowing down a little, so I'll be back to them soon. Also, as the title suggests, I have a little giveaway planned, but I'll get to that a little later in the video. So the biggest news is that my garage is finally under construction. The bad news is that the contractor is about 5 months behind, so it'll still be another month or two before it's ready. This is unfortunate because I had hoped to have my workshop moved over by now and started some of the bigger projects I've been putting off. The good news is that I have a car hoist lined up, so some of the car related projects should go a lot smoother. But for now, I still have my small basement workshop to work in, and I have some repair and holiday related projects to do in the next few weeks. So keep an eye out for those videos. So a few months back I posted my Camper Makeover series, which is pretty much wrapped up for this year. There's still more work to do, such as properly sealing off the corners, but I'll be saving that stuff for next year. The goal was just to get it to the point where we could use it for camping this year. Speaking of camping, I'm currently working on the final video in the series for this year, which is mostly just clips from several of the trips we took with the camper, as well as some cool drone shots that my buddy Mike took. I hope to have that one wrapped up soon enough, so keep an eye out for it. For now, the camper is put away for winter, but just in case you missed it, I did create an Instagram account for it, so if you're interested, you can follow our little adventures. Another video I'm currently working on is my annual garden video, where I share my progress from start to finish, as well as what veggies we managed to grow. Honestly, this wasn't my best year for gardening, but you'll get the full scoop when the video comes out. For now, as you can see, I'm just doing the final prep before winter, so hopefully I can have a better year next year. And now on to the giveaway. Thanks to your support and interest in my videos, my channel has just surpassed 500 subscribers, so I decided to celebrate this by giving away a $50 Amazon gift card. To enter in the draw, simply click the link in the description or visit my website and click the giveaways link and follow the instructions there. Note that YouTube and Amazon are not affiliated with this contest in any way, and that there is no purchase necessary, and you don't have to subscribe to my channel, watch, or like any videos to enter, and that doing so will not have any effect on the odds of winning. Full contest rules are on the giveaway page. With that said, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel and enjoy the content I produce, I really would appreciate if you would subscribe and maybe even share my channel with your friends and family. The winner of the giveaway will be decided by random draw on the date indicated on the contest page, and I'll post the results on my social media and possibly the next video following the draw. Well, that's it for this update. I hope you guys will stick around for my next videos, like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.